What's going on, guys? This is Kedar here. So remember that Clash of Clans is crashing like crazy. Today in this video we have got all the latest update provided by the Clash of Clans, and you know what, guys, what Clash of Clans has to say might surprise you. They have got some solutions, and you know what, there will be also a maintenance period. They have got the exact maintenance schedule. Today in this video I'll be covering the latest details as of right now, so let's get right into it. So there are many people reporting that Clash of Clans is simply crashing. You can't even able to launch it after this new update. And you know what, guys, what Clash of Clans has to say might surprise you. So just today, few hours ago, they had dropped out a new update 15.292.12. This was the old news, guys, but let me show you what latest update from the Clash of Clans. So right after they dropped a new version of the game, they have tweeted out, additionally, if your device is jailbroken, so they are talking about iOS devices. So if you got jailbroken iOS device, then the Clash of Clans crashes will be likely to continue, as they can't update your Clash of Clans while it's in that jailbreak mode. So guys, this is a very important update that might be the probable cause, probable reason why your Clash of Clans is crashing. So you need to check whether your iOS device is jailbroken, and I don't know, they didn't have confirmed, but you know what, that might be the case with the Android devices as well. If let's say if your Android device is rooted device, then Clash of Clans might not work in that regards. It will also continue to likely to crash if your Android is rooted or iOS device is jailbroken. So you need a normal device in order for Clash of Clans to work. And guys, just right after that, it comes down to this new tweet, and just 46 minutes ago, a very recent tweet. Hey chiefs, in about 20 minutes, we'll be having a maintenance to fix few issues. And you know what? They had took the community feedback, and now they are doing these changes. They said bases being reset after builder base attacks. First change. The second change is clouding issue in builder base. Also the third change, a few backend issues that they are going to fix, and they'll do this very quickly as possible. As far as the time goes, you know what, guys, this tweet was about 46 minutes ago, and you know what, they said about in 20 minutes. That means the maintenance just started as of right now, and how much time will it take, we'll have to see that. But once I get any latest details regarding that, I will keep you posted. So make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How To Guys. See you in the next video.